Just 11 days to go for the much-awaited Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, or as the home buyers fondly call it, RERA, to come into effect. But for the law aimed at protecting home buyers' interest to be effective, states have to frame and notify the rules. Only a handful of them, like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, have done it so far. But there is barely any movement towards setting up the regulatory authority. Our senior colleague Oinitam spoke with a few aggrieved home buyers. She also caught up with the Gurgaon District Commissioner to find out when will Haryana notify the rules.
With the deadline closing in, we are really not sure if the states, all of them, will be able to comply with the deadline and the commitments they have to meet under the law. In such a situation, what is going on in the minds of the stranded home buyers? Let us find out.
A lot of hope which was kindled by the government when on the 10th of March last year, the RERA bill was passed in the parliament, and we were just awaiting the implementation of the same in the state governments. And in Haryana, which is the biggest market, I would say, for the real estate. So here, with the state government being of the same party, BJP, we were expecting a much faster rollout of the same. But unfortunately, that has not happened so far. And we had, to be frank with you, we had started losing hope. But now with the government coming very heavily on the implementation of it, and they have already put a deadline of 1st of May. So again, the hope has been kindled. And what the expectation now is that they would actually implement the RERA in its true spirit.
We have booked in 2009-10. Now it is 7 years. And we won't hope next 4 years they will not give position. Still we have hope that state government should implement RERA as early as possible, because whatever Unitech is promising, or even though in CM meeting, two CM meetings, CM has promises 2-3 things, but now they are not implementing these things.
We are a few home buyers who have filed a case against the builder in NCDRC, and the case is at quite a mature level. Now what has happened that a lot of people who have now got the possession of the flat, because the few flats are ready. Now in a situation, the possession letter has been given to the buyer. The buyers have also paid the money. Now what has happened that builder is now trying to play around. He's trying to use this as a weapon to kind of blackmailing with the buyers, that if you want a possession, then you need to take out the case back. I mean, it's like you're playing with the legal right of a citizen, and trying to kind of blackmail the situation.
Definitely there is a sense of alarm and panic that the entire fight has been nothing on. Why are the states taking so long? Are they diluting it? If they dilute the act the way it was passed, then it becomes a toothless piece of legislation. But there is still 2 weeks. If there is genuine commitment to the people and there's genuine concern, it is not an undoable task.
Sir, abhi 30 April is the deadline for rules of RERA to be notified. What is the status here?
As on today, हमारे पास जो सूचना है उसके अनुसार RERA के रूल्स नोटिफाई नहीं हुए हैं। यहाँ जो डेवलपर से परेशान पब्लिक है, इनोसेंट पब्लिक जिन्होंने अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है, वो हमसे आके बार बार पूछते हैं कि इस बारे में कानून हमारी मदद कर पाएगा, तो हम उनको आश्वासन दे ही देते हैं और बहुत ही जल्दी ये नोटिफाई होने वाले हैं।
तो सर, इसका मतलब ये है कि जो डेडलाइन है लॉ के अंदर, वो हरियाणा स्टेट कंप्लाई कर जाएंगे और रेगुलेटर भी अपॉइंट हो जाएगा?
आई होप सो।
So states are still unsure, but home buyers are desperately hoping that states will comply with the deadline. Once the act comes into force, every developer with a project of 500 square meters or more will have to register with the regulator. He cannot advertise or launch his project without registering with the regulator. He also has to keep 70% of the customer's money aside in an escrow account. All ongoing projects where completion certificate is yet to come will have to comply with the provisions of the law.